It is currently Tuesday and we are leaving Friday for Keys Motorsports race event. We have to take this car, and this car on a 3-hour road trip. We have a very extensive list of things that we have to get done before Friday. Starting off with, actually the only thing on there is fix your piece of shit. If you guys remember the video when we put a single turbo kit on this E90, we moved the DME down to the glove box area. A lot of people were confused. That's because we are doing a fender exit on this. It's barely been done on any cars. It was done to Stefan, so that's why we had the idea to do this. We got nothing inside of here anymore, so we'll be back Friday.
Came off.
All right, we're about to hit the road in the two cars.
Me and Travis will be down the road just the whole time.
Like 4,000 the whole time. Just
I see electrical tape down here. Oh my god.
Hey Travis, you know what this car does that his don't?
Drives and runs and has a goddamn right, son. It has a fucking turbo.
We're like 45 minutes down the road, and then you see it with the hazards on his shoulder.
Yo, what's the code? Send me your current location then.
I wore the wrong clothes. Should have brought more tools.
Currently walking to the car. You love to see it.
Actually, it's got to be popped out.
Yeah, the car's low as shit.
I think you're just scared of it.
Dude. All right, let's switch cars, motherfucker. Let me drive yours. You drive this cocksucker. Right in the Crocs. Look.
There's only one thing left to do.
What?
You gotta send it.
No.
You got to.
I'm not getting back in this death trap.
I don't know what kind of code they just threw in there, but that did not sound good.
Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb.
I booked us a $1.1 million mansion for the weekend. Shopwebbies.com, please.
Where you going? Where you going?
I'm holding the camera.
Where you going? Oh my god. What the fuck is wrong with you?
That's a crib. You know, we made it here, but we're not gonna make it too much further in the orange car unless we get a throttle body for this thing, because we got a naked Travis with some butt gloves on.
Get that fucking butt ready.
We gotta find one by tomorrow, or else this thing is not making it to the car event.
She's a fucking dirty girl.
Part 2, car down. You gotta be joking. What happened?
It just did the normal shit that it did on the way up the road, and now it won't go away.
Well, we met it with Dom and his boys. We're trying to get the 85, but now this shit is.
I guess we're good.
All right, back on the road. Oh, the car might be officially done now. You want it? I'm selling it. She runs good. This is what happens when you hang out with me. You deal with this shit.
Fucking BMWs, dude.
Well, it didn't take long. She's on her way.
We'll be all right.
Cool. All right, now we gotta take 3 hours that way.
Can we sit inside it while it's getting towed? Dude, it looks sick, bro.
Never driven one of these before, have you?
Never. Not a day in my life.
This is gonna be a ride for you then. Hey, if it falls off, just leave it there.
Bumper on that thing. Forget about it.
Nah. Hey, hey, hey. Goodbye.
Back at it. It's midnight. We somehow managed to find us a throttle body. We had to go to the slums of New Jersey to get this, but I pray to God that this works so we can get Travis and Mason home. It's a shit show.
Oh, yeah. Tell you, bro, fucking it
There's
up.
that piece of shit. Here goes nothing. New throttle body. I need a drink. That's what I need. We need to get to the bars. Cause this ain't why I'm in New Jersey.
We fixed this and it's Henny and Coke time.
I'm about to be dead.
Must drag that damn
Guys.
335 back here.
You got a jump box by chance? Dude, I will say one thing about New Jersey. A lot of nice fellas down here.
Yeah.
You know, they're helping us out.
Coming in clutch with that.
Big time.
And that's a goat. Staying right here for the night. Man, I don't know. It made it here. That's about it. It ain't getting back to Maryland. We'll see it in the morning. We got some beer to drink.
It's gonna be the fastest shotgun in the world.
Right here.
Guys, said hike.
She said, why didn't you go to the Uber with me? I didn't know.
That's the only thing that keeps this place cool. And you want to f it up.
You deleted that fan. Let's hope he doesn't find out about that one. All right, boys, well, we made it here. The orange car is still in some dude's yard. I might try to run this. We put E85 in it this morning, but it's still breaking up pretty bad. Some gray and BMW left their dog in the car, so they're about to bust the window open right now. Hey, I got a couple fellas over there to break it right down.
I got a hammer in the car.
Travis, we need to bust that thing open.
Give me the okay, I'll put the elbow into it.
Does he have the okay to bust that thing open? Ah, look at him.
This fucking thing's feeling spicy.
Here's the owner.
Car's running? On, and, and the AC's on.
Car's running?
Yeah,
Cars be running for your air to work.
it was running. I don't know what happened. This is a new car.
Well, if you're switching, your car won't be on. Insane. I'm not a scientist, but I know a thing or two.
My man had the hammer ready and everything.
There you go.
You should have treated that window like it was the fan last night.
Fucking first option. Fuck up.
We left Keys. I was gonna race at the event today, but I was not taking those chances after luck this weekend. We got other problems, AKA that piece of shit. We got the tow truck on the way. All I'm gonna say, New Jersey is, it's been a time. We got a 3-hour road trip, and the orange car is getting towed back. We're stuck, man. You gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know, it's been a ride. Well, the end of the shit show this weekend. We made it. The black was the one that made it. I tell you one thing, I will never sell this car. As y'all see what we just went through. We're not gonna see the orange car till tomorrow. Who f***ing knows what happened to that piece of shit? But I'm a happy boy right now. Yeah, Maryland! Stefan's over here cheesing at something. I just paid for this thing to get all the way towed back here for what?
Remember I started doing when it was raining? Remember the wires go through the firewall? Remember the DMEs on the floor? Boys, she just need a little bird bath. Bird baths are important. And if you don't know what a bird bath is, it's when you sit your kids up on the counter of the sink right after you got done doing the deed, but you gotta be out in 10 minutes.
It's a dad joke right there, because I didn't get it.
We in Paris with it, 100 carats with it.
No way! I just paid for this piece of shit to get towed all the way back to Maryland for that. Just a little bird bath. All that shit y'all was talking. Look at that thing. Running like a top. Woo!